Is it too early to start a skincare regime? Not really, because this is the time to develop a foundation for your skin. It is a time that you should identify your skin type. Well, the easiest way to find that out is by going and visiting a dermatologist. That is the most foolproof method. But if not, there's a separate video in which I have told you how to determine skin type. You can take a look at that. Also try to evaluate how your skin changes over different seasons, because most of us have a different skin in winters as compared to summers. So make sure you use your skincare products as per the season. And finally, develop healthy habits when it comes to skincare. So do not skip on moisturizer, do not skip on sunscreen. Make sure that you're eating healthy, sleeping on time, reducing your screen time, drinking 6 to 8 glasses of water, exercising daily. And this is the time that most of us start applying makeup and start experimenting with makeup. So make sure you're using ideal makeup products for your skin type. For example, mineral-based makeup for oily skin type. You are removing makeup via double cleansing whenever you are applying it. You are removing makeup at night and then sleeping. And you're using clean makeup tools to apply makeup. Around mid-20s to late 20s is the time you will notice early signs of aging. It could be a deepened groove around the eyes, or a few gray hair on the side and the periphery of the scalp. So this is the time that you should incorporate a good day cream and a night cream in your skincare. If you're one of those who have a predominantly dry skin type, go for vitamin C based night and day creams, because it is going to hydrate, nourish, as well as brighten your skin. While those of you who have problem of oily skin and excessive pore size, go for retinol, niacinamide and adapalene based products. I think this video was helpful. Till the time, be beautiful, be influential.